sandwich. For this we need bread slices, grated cheese, boiled grated beetroot, salt, pepper and butter. Cut the size of the bread with a child-friendly knife. Next, apply some butter on it. Spread the grated beetroot. Then grated cheese. Sprinkle some pepper, salt, and finally place the other slice of the bread on the top. Cut the sandwich in your favorite shape. Ta-da! Our sandwich is ready. Do share it with your family and friends.
वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को
Enjoy!
सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करें।